Start with a piece of white 2mm craft foam and draw out the eye patch shape. I do have a template for this if you don't want to have to draw it freehand, but it's also easy to draw freehand. And once you've got that drawn out, just cut it out with a pair of scissors. Make a few slashes along the eye part so you can get your scissors in there and cut that part out as well. And then you should end up with this shape for the eye patch. So then get a mannequin head and lay it out across there. You can see it doesn't quite fit against the face, so what you want to do is just heat up the foam. I'm just using a candle here, but you can also use a heat gun. If you use a candle, make sure that you keep it away from the flames. You just want the heat to make it soft and pliable. And while the foam is warm, lay it on the mannequin head and make it form the shape of the face. You always want to do this on a mannequin head, not on your own face, because the foam will be too hot. So once you pull it off of the face, it'll cool and keep that shape. So once it's cool, you can put it on your own face, and it'll fit your face the way it fits the mannequin head. So then take some black craft foam and lay your piece out on it and trace around it for the eyebrow part. I also have this in the template if you don't want to draw it freehand. I'm basically just drawing the little eyebrow part there. So cut that out with a pair of scissors. This is also 2mm craft foam. And then once you've got that cut out, put a little bit of glue on the back and glue it to the top of the eye patch. So it should be following the curves of the eye patch, since the eye patch is curved. Then take some black scrapbooking brads, and you just want to poke those in through the eye patch and fold out the tails on the back side. And you'll do all three of those so that you end up with the three little bolts on the eye patch. Then take a little bit of spirit gum. You just want to stick it on the very top and the very bottom, keeping it far away from the eye part because you don't want it on your eyes. And then you can just hold it on your head until it dries, and then it'll stay there all by itself, so you got a nice Moira eye patch.